Hello there and welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the Sony Ericsson T68i. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Sony Ericsson T68i. Now this was released back in 2002. Before we have a look at the phones, we'll be having a look at the goodies. So let's have a look at the disc first. And the camera, which I will connect up to the phone now in a bit and show you. We have the computer lead and the charger. This one is unlocked and this one is locked to orange, and I've only got a battery, so I'll just be showing you this one, which is unlocked. I have got an orange SIM card in here at the moment, but they will show up as EE. Just turn them on. That will search a minute. It's searching. You are EE. Right, let's have a look at the menus. Now, phone book, messages, calls, WAP, and so on and so on. Let's have a look at the actual phone in a minute. So there's the front. Here's the one side. The other side. This one is missing the thing, which it is on there. So there's just a little plastic sensor thing. Top. And there's the bottom. Obviously has the charging port, and that's where the camera connects to, at the bottom there. Right, so let's have a look at the ringtones. Should we start this from the top? Oop, too far. Right, here we go. there you are. There's all the ringtones. Let's have a look if we got anything else to show you on here. So the games. There you are. There's a few games on here. That'll maybe be in another video, but I'm showing you the games. You know, there's the games on the gone here. I don't know how much about the games. Right then, as I promised you, I will show you it working with a camera. This gotta go around that way. Yeah, he's on. You know, he's coming up. It's detected the camera, and he wants me to select which one I want. Take a picture, view your pictures, or options. I think this camera will actually store a couple of photos in the actual camera as well. I'm not too sure how many it will store. I think it will store a couple on its own as well as the phone. Right, so let's have a look. Take a picture. This will only do pictures. It won't do anything else. It's quite dark and dingy, but it is an old camera. But you can just about make out like it does work. But obviously this camera is 19-year-old or something like that. 18-year-old. There you are. Let's see if we can take a picture. Save. Now we'll go into the save into the camera. It's now saying I got two. I did try it the other day. So yeah, it's a pretty good camera. It's not bad at all. It's not too bad, you know. Let's put that back on. And pull him off. I'll disconnect it and it goes straight off. It can detect when the phone is on or off, as I said. I have got two of these. Both of them to work perfect. This one is unlocked into all networks. This one is locked into Orange. But I've only got a battery, but the battery is really good, so it's no point me buying another battery when I can only use one at a time anyway. So hang on. There's a ring it now then. Just to show you it ring. Then here we go, it should ring now in a minute. are. So there you are, guys. That is the Sony Ericsson T68i, which was released back in 2002. As always, if you enjoyed my videos, leave a like and please subscribe if you really enjoy my channel, and that would help my channel a lot. But until next time, thank you very much and bye!